Struggling with a garage door that won't open or close? This common problem could be due to issues with the opener, remote control, sensors, or even a power outage. Here in the Barrack Heights area, we understand how crucial a functioning garage door is to your daily routine and security. Don't let these troubles disrupt your day. Call us now at 0409-774-111. Our team of qualified professionals is equipped to diagnose and fix any problem, ensuring your garage door operates smoothly again. Reach out today for fast, reliable garage door repair services right here in Barrack Heights. Get your garage door back on track with just one call.